Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn how to configure newsletter manually, right? We are in previous video we are cover how can configure or how to manage newsletter in by email address or templating system. But in this video we are cover how can send how can send newsletter manually because sometimes we send some special for some special customers, maybe some purchase bulk ordering, or maybe some customers have some problem about order processing, so some need for like a compliment or some gift code or may some thanks for patience. This type of needs we need send a static newsletter, right? So we are going to marketing, and here you guys see newsletter template, and here add new template, right? And here is enter template name for custom order template. It's order page support, or you can add resolve query, resolve, no, not resolve query, discount. Discount for you, for you, right? 20%, right? Discount, discount, right? And you can enter here some lines. You are, if you are, you are birthday, night, tonight, you got 20% off for each product, right? Right guys, and save. And you can set from here, right? This is HTML, this is center, right? This is subject line, and you can set from here, right? You can see here preview, right? This is Q, but here is nothing. Q is today, right? Set here today, go today, close, and save newsletter, right guys? And go to from here, and here you see guys, this is need for like customer grouping system. If you have your more purchase everyday purchase customer, you can set from one group, and for season purchase customers you can set another group. So this type of group customers you can send the manually newsletters. So this type of needs you can send a newsletter by manually, right? Or maybe some events or some happened in exceptional case, you can choose send newsletter manually, right? So thank you so much in this video.